All right, this is our One Tap Jockey Box. It's made from a roto-molded cooler. Comes with stainless steel shanks, a 1-inch extension flange which keeps the faucet out and away from the cooler. Inside we have a 50 or 100 foot coils. 50 foot's our standard length, holds 17 ounces of liquid. We also have rear input shanks. Those are made from stainless steel as well. And then we have direct coil to shank assemblies, which means that the stainless steel coils are hooked directly to the shanks, and there's no vinyl tubing on the inside here. Input on this one is on the back, rear input jockey box. We also have a front input jockey box, One Tap, and we also have a One Tap front and rear input nitro setup. If you're pouring like Guinness style beer or nitro coffee, that's a good setup for that. Each cooler has a really big drain plug at the bottom of it. We also have different plugs that have barbs on the end of it. That way, in case you want to drain it, you can hook some vinyl tubing and a ball valve to it. One Taps weigh about 27 pounds. They hold about 20 pounds of ice, so full, they weigh about 50 pounds. You have a couple options during checkout. No accessories. You're just gonna get the faucet and black tap handle. Your next option is gonna be with a beverage jumper, which means you're just gonna get new tubing with it. Your next option is gonna be a dispensing kit with no CO2, which means you're gonna get your beverage jumper, your gas line, your beer coupler, and your CO2 regulator. People normally choose this option if they've got their own CO2 tanks or they can find their tanks locally. Your next option is going to be, if you need a CO2 tank, you can get your dispensing kit with CO2. Just keep in mind that I can't ship this to you full, so the CO2 will be empty and you'll have to find some place to get it filled locally. If you have any questions on any of our products, please email us at support@coldbreakusa.com.